Hey, I'm Sal at Decco Ranch. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the new windshield that I got. And it is very, very cool. Put it on the new 2020 Honda Rebel 500. At least it was new a few months back. Give you different views here, if you can see it. So let's sit down now and talk about it. I want to point out my new windshield. It is amazing. Given it one test ride already, it is fabulous. Different people have tried it and love it. Everybody loves it. I think part of it, it goes all the way down and around the bike, so it really stops. Oh, it's nice and thick too. It's like a plexiglass. It was very easy to install. Harley guy installed it for me, my son Harley guy, and it only took him a few minutes. What I'm hoping for is that when I take off and do this trial run, I'm hoping that the mic in the helmet works better now, that we'll be able to hear it, because wind noise has been such a major issue that I haven't been able to use the mics in the helmets unless I'm stopped. So I'm going to see, and I'm going to test that out.
Oh yeah, let's see how well this works. Oh my God, I'm telling you, the airflow, it just changes the dynamics. This is amazing. In fact, I feel like I'm going faster than I probably should on this road. Not that I should, but that, you know, is nice and safe to travel, and what the residents will think. I'm in fourth gear at 54. See, this is what the windshield does. I haven't been on my bike in a few days and I've missed it. That's why I decided I'm taking it into town. Oh my God, this feels good. And I'm not getting any of that wind noise in my helmet. This is great. Holy mackerel. I just wanted to say that because anybody, oops, I'm getting a little tiny bit now. And this is a Schuberth helmet. Drop it to fifth at 50 there. This is a Schuberth light helmet, so it's renowned for not much wind noise anyway. But oh my gosh, there is so little wind noise. This is amazing. It's incredible. Thank you, windshield. And this was not a windshield that was specific to this bike. It was a cruiser windshield, and I'll post the link because I am so happy with it right now. And Stacy's going to end up getting this on her Rebel 500 as well. So then there will only be one of them that will be truly naked with no windshield. Oh my God, this is exciting. I know you guys aren't as excited as me, but this is really cool. I am so used to getting hit by that wind and the wind noise on the helmet, and I'm not getting any of that now, but I still feel the wind. Like I feel it through my, whoops, I feel it through my jacket. I feel it on my legs, even though it's protective gear. And, you know, and the jacket's protective gear, but it's a mesh because it's 90 degrees here in California in October. Catching a little tiny bit of wind from the bottom of the helmet, you know, right through the chin guard area, just an itty bitty amount. And I'm hoping this mic picks everything up. Oh, this is incredible. I could see over it. I can sit up and see over the windscreen, or I can just kind of sit behind it, and it's like there is no wind even when you're moving.
Well, I didn't want to bore you with any more of the ride, although it was a fabulous ride. Oh my gosh, that windshield is amazing. But I thought I'd show you the Amazon listing here so you can look it up for yourself if you're interested. This is a 2020 Honda Rebel 500, but I'm sure it fits a lot of different cruisers. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. In the meantime, ride safe and keep your horses moving.